Good evening, Mr. President. Another large-scale protest is slated for November 30 on Bonifacio Day, with rights groups
With?
convening since
Yeah.
October po. And they
Yeah.
said it's going to be bigger than September 21st. Is this a cause for concern, sir?
Yeah. Cause for? No. The only concern I have when we have demonstrations for whatever reason is that there are agitators who will go and try to cause trouble. What demonstrator goes to a demonstration with Molotov cocktails that are not intending to cause trouble or to hurt people? Those are the people that we are worried about. And those are the people that we are watching out for. We have a good idea who they are. And I hope that they don't, tanggalin na ninyo sa isip ninyo yan. Manggugulo kayo, wala namang mangyayari, may masasaktan lang. Nasasaktan pa yung mga kasama ninyo kuminsan. Yung mga pulis, wala namang kinalaman yung pulis. They're just there to control the crowd. They're not there to hurt anyone. So that's the only thing I worry about. That's the only thing I worry about. Because we know the reasons for this. The reasons is the outrage for what we have been slowly or not so slowly discovering about some of these projects that were egregious in implementation and shameless in, I don't know what you want to call it, in dishonesty and abuse. So, of course they will, you know, of course that will be a cause for outrage. You know, those funds are supposed to go to people, to feed people, to make their lives better, and that all disappeared because they're buying airplanes and buying big mansions kung saan saan. It's, you know, of course they'll be angry. Isipin mo, ang buhay nila ganyan, kami gutom. How can you be happy?
All right. Thank you, Mr. President. Ivy, any follow-up question? That's all. All right. The next question from Eden, Net 25.
Mr. President, good evening po. More than a month na pong naitatag yung ICI, going back to dun po sa issue ng ICI, may we know po kung meron na po bang nai-allot na budget o pondo para
Mayroon
sa...
na?
Kung meron na pong naila ang budget, may budget na po ba ang ICI para sa kanilang how much? Kasi po sinasabi ng ICI
I don't
last
have the
time.
details kasi joke din eh. Kasi we had to, once we appointed the people who were going to sit on the ICI, then they had to do the organizational part, and then we asked them, you know, we won't tell you kasi nga talaga gusto kong ayoko makialam. So ang sanabi na lang namin, ano yung kailangan ninyo, how much will it cost? We will provide the fund, and it's not a big amount because it's really staffing, computers, printers, the usual office equipment. So so it keeps changing. The number keeps changing. So, but we can provide some. I don't know what the latest numbers are, pero kasi yun na nga, una yung staffing kakaunti lang, tapos medyo dumami. Then they're trying to create other departments to do the research, to do the investigation, to do the forensic accounting, all of those things. So it's a work in progress. That's the best way I could put it. It's a work in progress. We are again committed to providing whatever funding is necessary, and we can get to you. It's not going to be a final number, but we'll get to you what we've done so far.
Pero kailan po talaga na ibigay yung kanilang budget? Kasi
Kailan
kailan po na ibigay sa ICI yung budget nila? Kasi 2 weeks ago pa parang
Hindi.
nagsabi na wala silang fund. Wala
Silang funds doon sa mga gusto nilang gawin. Kasi talaga bago lang, sabi, we need more of this. We need this that we didn't realize we needed before. So, hindi pa namin napondohan. But as I said, we're committed to make sure that they can, to fund their investigation, to make sure that everything that they want to do with the investigation, they can do. that they have all the people that they need, that they have all of the whatever equipment that they need, all of that. Even information, which is probably the most important thing of all. And funding is important, but if the biggest, I think the most important promise I made to them is that any single item of information that you require from any department in the executive, you have it. No questions, no subpoena, no nothing. You have it. Basta i-request nyo sa amin, nasa inyo na. That's probably the most important commitment that we made, beyond the funding.